Have you heard about Sanctum? Sanctum is the hottest thing. When it comes to Solana right now, it's July 2024 and this alpha is probably good for a couple more months, but it's best that you dive in now to get some XP, and hopefully you got decent airdrop. Sanctum has been around for a few years. They were originally Socian. Now they've raised $6.1 million. And in the August LFG vote they won with 64% of all votes. So clearly people are super bullish. We have no information on the tokenomics, but in order to get the airdrop, our speculation is we go and use Sanctum. Deposit SOL into INF, go to trade, get some SOL, and buy some JUP SOL, and some BUNK SOL, and we can use the other function. As well, we don't have a lot of alpha on this. We think a gamified system will come, so if you hold some of these assets, you will create a pet. The pet is not an NFT, but the pet can evolve, and I expect evolved pets will give you more XP. So if this interests you, go check out and click the link below for more videos on Solana projects.